Hello insignia everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time joining me today. Hi, my name is Hannah. I make a lot of different videos here on YouTube, sometimes story time, sometimes jewelry related, makeup related, baby related. It's a mixed bag here. I like to believe that I have a little bit of something for everybody here on the channel. So if you are new here, I highly suggest that you check out the playlists here on the channel, because like I said, I like to believe I have a little something for everybody. So also I do want to mention to you guys that I have started putting like jewelry that I make and stuff that I make with my Cricut machine. I've started putting it on Etsy, so I'll have like the Etsy store name somewhere on the screen, and I'll try to have it in the description box below. I know somebody told me on my last video that the link was kind of broken, so I'm gonna try to fix that for you guys. But without further ado, let's get into the video. So as you can tell from the title, today's video is about a jewelry cleaner, and I want to give a huge shout out to the Simple Shine family, crew, whatever you want to call them, for sending me this jewelry cleaner, because they reached out to me. They wanted to see if I wanted to try their ultrasonic jewelry cleaner. So they didn't pay me or anything for this review, test out. Like, they didn't pay me anything. They just sent me the product for free so that I could show you guys and share it with you guys and see what the whole hubbub is about this jewelry cleaner. If you guys don't know what an ultrasonic cleaner is, it's basically just a little cleaning machine that you pour a cleaning liquid, a cleaning solution into, and it vibrates and does all this stuff. And you know, I don't know the specifics of it, but it vibrates. I know that it can get kind of hot, which is why you want to be careful of the stones and stuff that you put in there and the metals and stuff like that. But it's just a little machine that you can put your jewelry into with a cleaning solution, and it will clean up your jewelry and get rid of all the gunky, dirty, gross stuff on there without you really having to do anything. Now, I do recommend taking a soft bristle toothbrush, brushing off your jewelry, and it'll just help get in the crevices and stuff like that. But you can just put it into the ultrasonic, leave it for however long you set it to, and just let it go and go about your merry way. So yeah, you can also do that, but that is what an ultrasonic is, in case you guys are not familiar. So I did video myself trying it out for the first time. I videoed me trying out like how you set it up, how you pour in the cleaner, like how much to use and all of that. So that should be what you're watching on the video, like in the video right now. I first of all tried it with 3 of my rings. I tried it with 2 gold rings and 1 mystery metal ring. I don't know, I think it's like stainless steel. I got it on eBay or Amazon, one of the two. It's just a fake Cartier love ring because I don't want to pay for a real one. But anyways, that's what I tried out first, and I was really impressed, but I did forget to take a before video, so I decided to also test out a bracelet. And the bracelet that I put in there is my sterling silver John Hardy ruby Naga bracelet. So I took a before of that, put it in there, and ran it through. It's super simple to use. I want to go ahead and say that. It makes sense why it's called Simple Shine, because like it's really simple to use. The instruction manual that it came with, really straightforward and simple. It lays out the different times that you can put it on, which I will have hopefully a clip or a photo of what the instruction manual says in here. And like I said, I tried to do my best showing you guys how it works, but it doesn't really provide a guide in there on like how long you should do certain things, except for it does say that for more delicate items like glasses that you should use the lower time settings, or maybe even the lowest time setting. But like as far as which setting to use, I guess it's just up to you, like whatever you think, however dirty you think that your piece of jewelry or whatever it may be, however dirty that you think that is, that's how long you should put it. But it goes pretty high. I think it goes to like 600 seconds. I want to say that's the maximum, but like I said, I'll try to have picture and video of the manual in here. And of course, thankfully, the main thing that I was looking for was if this company provided you a list of stones not to place inside this ultrasonic cleaner. So if you guys don't know, I worked in a jewelry store and we had a huge ultrasonic cleaner. It was pretty big, and there were just certain stones that you're not allowed to put in there, because if a stone is really weak, if it's really soft, if it has a lot of inclusions, a lot of cracks in it, it can really damage the stone. It can like ruin your piece of jewelry. So there's just certain stones that you cannot put in a ultrasonic cleaner. It's not a good idea. It's very, very like dangerous for your jewelry to do that. So I'm really, really glad that they included that in the back of the manual, because other ultrasonics that I own some like really tiny ones. I own a Joy Mangano tiny ultrasonic cleaner. I have a jewelry steam cleaner that I got from JTV, and both of those came with a little pamphlet that tells you certain stones not to put in there. I know for a fact that the Simple Shine one says not to use with opals. Opals is like the #1 stone you do not want to use. It says like plated jewelry, you probably shouldn't use it with that. You shouldn't use it on costume jewelry, which costume jewelry is usually kind of plated anyways, or it's just like mystery metal, you know, so you're really taking a risk if you use it with that, and you really should not do that. So I'm really, really glad, like I said, that they included that. I do want to say that I am pretty impressed with this product. It really just, my other ultrasonic that I have, the Joy Mangano one, cannot compare to this one. This one is much larger, although it's not huge. It's a pretty decent size ultrasonic, I would say. Not nearly as big as the one in the jewelry store that I worked in, but it's a decent sized one. But it's a lot bigger than the Joy Mangano one that I have, and I do like their liquid cleaner a lot better than the Joy Mangano kind. That one kind of has like a smell to it, like a really strong smell in my opinion, and the Simple Shine one just doesn't. The smell is not really there. I didn't really notice it when I was pouring the solution into the ultrasonic. Like, I didn't really notice it, and when I took the jewelry out, rinsed it off, didn't notice it whatsoever. So I do like that. I like that there's not like a strong odor associated with the cleanser. I do think that the jewelry was a lot shinier than beforehand, because like if you wear sterling, if you wear any kind of jewelry, is going to get dirty as you wear it, but sterling silver will tarnish. And I feel like although it didn't get rid of all the tarnish, because I need to take a polishing cloth to my sterling silver, it did a really good job of knocking off the tarnish that's kind of like, I guess, on top, you know? So while it still needs to be polished, I really like the way that the ultrasonic cleaned it up. And with my gold, obviously it did an amazing job, because you don't really have to take a polishing cloth and take tarnish off of gold, because it doesn't tarnish. So yeah, my gold was just not as dirty, but I thought that it did a fantastic job. I was really impressed with it. I was kind of surprised. I mean, I don't know. I thought it compared really well to the ultrasonic we used in the jewelry store. I thought that it gave you like the same nice shine, the same just sparkle, I guess you would say. And I really liked it. I really liked the way that it cleaned up the jewelry. I think my jewelry looks a lot better. I was gonna bring it in here to show you guys, but I'm actually letting it run right now in the bathroom to clean some of my other jewelry, because I mean, come on now. If you're gonna clean some of your jewelry, you might as well clean it all. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with this ultrasonic and the cleaning solution. Now, they do sell the cleaning solution by itself. You can just buy the solution, put it on a soft bristle toothbrush, brush off your jewelry with it, or just soak your jewelry in a diluted mixture of this cleaning solution to clean your jewelry. You don't have to get it with the ultrasonic. So I will have their website linked down below in case you guys want to check it out. It is a family-owned business based here in the USA, which I know is important to a lot of people, myself included, especially after everything that has happened in our world today. A lot more people are wanting to shop made in the USA, shop, I guess it's not really local, but you know, shop a family-owned business, support a family-owned business honest, these huge companies are doing fine. They're gonna survive, but it's the smaller family-owned businesses that really need your support. So if you are in the market for something like this, something that will clean up your jewelry for you and that'll just make your life a little bit easier, then I definitely do recommend this to you guys. I think it's like leaps and bounds better than the Joy Mangano Ultrasonic that I have. I don't know how popular those are, but I do have one, and I think that this one is far superior. So anyways, I will have the information linked down below, but I do definitely recommend this product. I think that it's really, really good. Thank you guys so much for joining me again today. Leave me a like if you liked the video, comment down below, and feel free to subscribe because I make new videos every Monday and Friday. Thank you guys so much for joining me again today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.